Mets, and Rockies. All right, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up both boxes because it'll be a lot easier because they got all those single little boxes inside. Man, I need to grow some nails. Hey, is there a baseball game on today? Hello, 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 hello. Is there a baseball game? Baseball game. World Series. World Series. Oh, Raise up 3-zip. Dude, I'm trying, Justin. This This is harder to get to than the Mona Lisa. All right. It's like Christmas. All right, guys. Good luck. Okay, Nick Lodolo going to the Reds and Jerry. Bo Bichette rookie card going to the Blue Jays and Rick. Bruce Dark-Gatterall rookie going to the Dodgers and Ryan. Adley Rutschman for the Orioles. What a way to start. Going to Phil, number 2 prospect in baseball. Nice hit, Phil. I think MLB has it Wander and then Adley. We have an Abraham Toro for Houston and a Kwon Yoon Kim going to the St. Louis Cardinals. Cardinals belonging to Phil. It's a nice first pack. Go Rays. Okay, guys. Jake Rogers, rookie, going to the Tigers. It's all right, Danny. Adley Rutschman was the first auto going to Phil and the Orioles. You have the Angels, Red Sox, and Twins. Shun Yamaguchi, rookie card, going to the Blue Jays. Blue Jays belonging to Rick. Zach Gallen, rookie, going to the D-backs. D-backs belonging to Jerry. Albert Alzolay, rookie, going to the Cubs and Rick. We have a refractor Andrew Vaughn going to the White Sox and Ryan, 143 of 199. And behind that, we have a gold autograph, number 250, Aaron Ashby gold auto going to the Brewers and Phil. Nice hit, Phil. Nice refractor, Ryan. The gold. Robel Garcia, Cubs. Jared Kelenic, Mariners. Robel Garcia, Sparkle rookie. Not numbered. Going to the Cubs and Rick. We got a beauty of an autograph. 125 Wave Refractor, Bobby Witt Jr. going to Phil. Wow, Monster Heat back to back to back. Somebody ate their Wheaties. Wow. That is a beauty of a card. Bobby Witt Jr. to 125. Matt Manning for the Tigers. And Mackenzie Gore going to the Padres. Two packs left, box one. What's up, Rick? CJ Abrams going to the Padres. Drew Waters, Braves. We got a Kevin Biggio going to the Blue Jays. Blue Jays belonging to Rick. Sterling first signs insert, 59 of 99. Nice one, Rick. Our autograph is going to be Greg Jones for the Tampa Rays. Rays belonging to Justin. Greg Jones, top prospect for the Tampa Rays. Nice hit, Justin. We got a Brendan McKay rookie for the Rays, never fails. And a Hunter Harvey going to the Orioles. Orioles belonging to Phil. Last pack in box one. Gavin Lux rookie going to the Dodgers and Ryan. Shogo Akiyama going to the Reds and Jerry. Andres Munoz rookie for the Padres. And we have a Nick Lodolo autograph going to Jerry. Nick Lodolo, top pitcher in the Reds organization. Seems like every autograph in Sterling is a top prospect. We have Dylan Carlson, and closing it out, Jazz Chisholm. Box number 2. Good luck. Adbert Alzolay, Chicago. Trent Grisham, rookie, Padres. Bobby Witt Jr., Royals. Julio Rodriguez, Mariners. Trent Grisham. Nolan Gorman, going to the Cardinals. Number to 199 refractor, going to Phil. You didn't get a card, Danny? You're going to have to ask Phil for one. He's got plenty of them. And the autograph, Brennan Davis, going to the Cubs, and Rick. Rick is on the board. Sixto Sanchez, Marlins. Key Brian Hayes, Pirates. Another Bo Bichette rookie, going to the Blue Jays. And Rick. Brusdar Gatterall, Dodgers. Zach Gallen. And the autograph, going to the Rangers, a Sparkle auto. Rangers belonging to Ryan. Ryan is on the board with the Nick Solak. That's a crazy auto, man. I like it though. Looks like another language, like a hieroglyphic. I tell people all the time, man, Jimmy's been lucky his whole life, especially with cards. Forrest Whitley, Stros, Marco Luciano, Giants. Vidal Brujan, Rays. Grayson Rodriguez, Orioles. We got a Jeter Downs, number to 99, going to Danny and the Red Sox. Nice Jeter Downs. There you go, Danny. You on the board, baby. Danny making a comeback. And the autograph, back-to-back Danny hits, Jarren Duran for the Red Sox. Man, I think every single person hit an autograph, right? Danny, Jerry, Justin, Phil, Rick, and Ryan. Wow. It's impressive. 2 more packs. Good luck, everybody. Mauricio Dubon, rookie, Giants. Oh, look who it is. The man, the myth, the legend, Randy Arozarena, rookie, going to the Rays, and Justin. O'Neal Cruz, Pirates. You don't want to wander, you want a Randy, baby. Casey Mize, Tigers. Nate Pearson, Blue Jays. And a wave refractor. This is Arizona D-backs top prospect Corbin Carroll. Wave refractor to 125 going to Jerry. Nice hit, Jerry. This guy Corbin Carroll could play some baseball, man. What do you think, Danny? You like him? Last pack, guys. Good luck. Logan Gilbert, Mariners. Jesus Luzardo. Athletics. Taylor Trammell, Padres. Yason Dominguez. Going to Rookie Rick and the Yankees. Nolan Jones. And the last autograph of the night. Andrew Vaughn. Andrew Vaughn going to Ryan and the White Sox to close it out. Let me tell you, Ryan, I know you want to see a Robert, but Andrew Vaughn might end up being a better player. No lie. Let's see. Nice hit, Ryan. Way to close it out. All right, guys. I'll be posting the highlights as soon as I get a chance. I appreciate it very much. I actually don't even have anything to break right now. Maybe it's a good thing. Take a few days, see what's out there, and then I'll post something up. Okay, guys, I'll try to put the highlights shortly. Thank you, man. Thanks, Rick. All right, Justin. Okay, Ryan. Have a good night, guys.